Hi, Northwestern Wildcat fans. My name's Jay Winston, School of Music, class of 1998. And I went out to Hollywood, California this past September to compete in the Masters of Musical Whistling International Festival and Competition. There were competitors from Japan and France and Spain and Canada and the US. And I came in first place, and I'm now the new world champion of musical whistling. And with that in mind, I thought I'd share something for you that I hope everyone enjoys. Go Cats!